Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add Outlook calendar to the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Slack app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our channels, our direct messages and our teammates. From here we can just tap on a channel and then tap on connect apps. And then the app is going to load a bit, but afterwards we can just scroll down and under the daily tools section tap on Outlook calendar like this. It's going to load again, but afterwards we can just tap on add to Slack, and then we can have the app in our workspace. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.